Hi, there's a question, and this I need to find value of. I need to find the exact value of 10 pi by 8. Okay, so I will be using half angle identity for tangent. That is tangent of theta by 2 equal to sine theta by 1 plus cosine theta, or 1 minus cosine theta by sine theta. Okay, since I need to find the value of tangent pi by 8, so tangent pi by 8, definitely this theta by 2 will be equal to pi by 8. Theta by